Hello everyone, here's Will from THINKCAR. Let me introduce our THINKSCAN HD. Let's have a look at the interface. And here is the diagnostic button. You can see here we covered more than 70 brands, commercial vehicle brands. It's already covered most commonly used brands such as Fuso, Hino, Hyundai, Volvo, Isuzu. Let's have a look. The maintenance button here shows 8 resets, including DPF regeneration, oil reset, injector coding, clutch matching, brake pad reset, and here's the speed limited reset. And the buttons, which is much more convenient that you can use. Here is a touch screen, as you can see. Read-only memory, 64 gigabyte. RAM, 2 gigabyte. Random access memory. Okay, the battery is 3150. If we compare with other brands device for commercial vehicle, this one is easier to use, and this one is full function, full system. Support read and clean trouble code. Also support actuation test, special functions as well. This tool is the most cost efficiency tool, which is suitable for all the workshops. You can check with our local dealer. Also visit our website www.thinkcar.com to get more information. Thank you.